हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सीटेड विद सिमरन मैम। आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे सीटेड दिसंबर 2019 के पेपर 1 के लैंग्वेज फर्स्ट इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हुए चलिए इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। डायरेक्शंस: रीड द पैसेज गिवन बिलो एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 91 to 99 by selecting the correct most appropriate options. Para 1. Kangri Karchok, the Kailash Puran of the Tibetans describe the sacred elephant mouth river or Langchen Khambab as a long and extensive river that rises from the lake Unconquerable, the Somaphan or Mansarovar that flows from the mountainous region of Tibet. According to this holy book, this cold river with its sands of gold circles the holy Mansarovar 7 times before taking its course to the west. Stanza 2 or Para 2, the Langchen Khambab flows down from the red-colored mountains of the Kanglung Kangri glaciers in the trans-Himalayan region of Tibet, channeling its way through the earth forest of Tholing and Saparang of the Gugi kingdom. These earth forests are full of pillars formed by rocks that collectively appear like a forest from afar and out of the world landscape that was formed by the geological movements of the earth and erosion by wind and water. The Khunglung ruins also lies on the northern bank of the Satluj River. In this valley, which was once known as the Garuda Valley. Para 3. This mighty river then flows northwest for about 260 km before entering Himachal Pradesh through Shipki La, cutting across the formidable Himalayan ranges of Janskar, the Greater Himalaya and the Dhauladhar. Subsequently, the waters meander through the gigantic Kinnor Kailash Jorkadon range at Rekong, creating the terrifying Satluj Gorge. Then it streams into Shimla, Kullu, Mandi and Bilaspur and is responsible for the rich cultivation of the grapes, apples and apricots all along its banks. After its confluence with the river Spiti at Khab, it is known as Satluj. Para 4. It is 1448 km in length, making it the longest among the 5 rivers of Punjab, extensively used for irrigation. It is topographically divided into Upper Satluj Basin and Lower Satluj Basin. It leaves the Himachal boundary to enter the plains of the Punjab at the Bhakra Dam, the second highest gravity dam and a major point of water supply and electricity generation for the north of India. Then questions. Question 91. Read the following sentences. Statement A. Kangri Karchok is a holy book of the Tibetans. Statement B. Langchen Khambab is responsible for rich cultivation of various types of fruits in the Himachal Pradesh. Option 1, B is true, A is false. Option 2, both A and B are true. Option 3, both A and B are false. Option 4, A is true, B is false. The correct option is option 2, both A and B are true. Question 92, which one of the following word is most similar in meaning to the word gigantic as used in the passage? Para 4, option 1, high. Option 2, formidable. Option 3, huge. Option 4, terrifying. The correct option is option 3, huge. Question 93. Which one of the following word is the most opposite in the meaning to the word sacred as used in the passage? Para 1, option 1, noble. Option 2, unholy. Option 3, moral. Option 4, pure. The correct option is option 2, unholy. Question 94. Which part of the following sentence contains an error? I am not in best position to advise you in this matter. I am not को underline करके A बनाए हैं, फिर in best position को underline करके B बनाया गया है, to advise you को underline करके C बनाया गया है, in this matter को underline करके D बनाया गया है. Then options. तो option 1 B, option 2 D, option 3 C, option 4 A. The correct option is option 1 B. Question 95. Which part of his speech is the underlined word in the following sentence? I don't know why he is so hostile to me. Why को underline किया गया है? Then options. तो option 1 adverb, option 2 preposition, option 3 pronoun, option 4 adjective. The correct option is option 1 adverb. Question 96. Lake Unconquerable refers to option 1 Lake Mansarovar, option 2 Lake Rakshatal, option 3 the Satluj River, option 4 Langchen Khambab River. The correct option is option 1 Lake Mansarovar. Question 97. According to Kangri Karchok, Langchen Khambab is not option 1 circle the Mansarovar 7 times, option 2 flow very gently through the hills, option 3 a cold river, option 4 have sands of golds. The correct option is option 2 flow very gently through the hills. Question 98. What makes the earth forest of Tholing and Saparang look amazing? Option 1 abundance of flora and fauna, option 2 cool breeze that makes people feel drowsy, option 3 pillars formed by rocks resembling a forest, option 4 the ruins on the banks of the Sutlej. The correct option is option 3 pillars formed by rocks resembling a forest. Question 99. Langchen Khambab is a boon for the north of India because option 1 it brings along with it mountain soil and minerals, option 2 the prosperity of the whole of India depend on it, option 3 it abounds in aquatic animals, option 4 it is a major source of water supply and power generation. The correct option is option 4 it is a major source of power supply and power generation. Question 100. नॉट क्वेश्चन 100, क्वेश्चन 100 से पहले आपका पैराग्राफ है पोएट्री वाला, उसके क्वेश्चंस हैं. तो इसके लिए जो डायरेक्शन दिया गया है, डायरेक्शंस, रीड द एक्सट्रैक्ट given below and answer the questions that follow question number 100 to 105 by selecting the correct या most appropriate options. लाइट ब्रिगेड इस पैरा के ऊपर हेडिंग है एंड देन बाय अल्फ्रेड टेनिसन. और फिर अब पैराग्राफ स्टार्ट हो रहा है पोएट्री का. हाफ अ लीग ऑनवर्ड, ऑल इन द वैली ऑफ डेथ, रोड द 600, फॉरवर्ड द लाइट ब्रिगेड, चार्ज फॉर द गन्स, ही सेड, इनटू द वैली ऑफ डेथ, rode the 600, forward the light brigade, was a man dismayed, not though the soldier knew someone had blundered, there's not to make reply, there's not to reason why, there's but to do and die, into the valley of death, rode the 600. Then questions start. So question 100. Which of the following statements is not true? The military discipline teaches the soldiers. Option 1, to obey their commander's order. Option 2, is act tactfully in the battlefield. Option 3, not to ask any question. Option 4, to do and die. The correct option is option 2, to act tactfully in the battlefield. Question 101. Which of the following adjectives does not apply to the soldiers? Option 1, disciplined. Option 2, patriotic. Option 3, impractical. Option 4, courageous. The correct option is option 3, impractical. Question 102. Name the figure of speech used in the valley of death. Option 1, simile. Option 2, synedoche. Option 3, metonymy. Option 4, metaphor. The correct option is option 4, metaphor. Question 103. Which literary device is used in the expression to do and die? Option 1, alliteration. Option 2, simile. Option 3, personification. Option 4, assonance. The correct option is option 1, alliteration. Question 104. In the first stanza of the extract, the soldiers are option 1, waiting for their commander's order. Option 2, thinking about the result of the war. Option 3, seen riding fast to do enemy territory. Option 4, talking to each other about their personal problems. The correct option is option 3, seen riding fast to the enemy territory. Question 105. The expression the valley of death refers to option 1, the impending death of soldiers. Option 2, the house of death. Option 3, a nightmarish place. Option 4, the place where the dead soldiers are lying buried. The correct option is option 1, the impending death of soldiers. Question 106. Which among the following does not come under meaning-based activities? Option 1, using previous knowledge. Option 2, reading the text and then narrating the same to peers. Option 3, reading out every word aloud and translating it. Option 4, interacting with the text. The correct option is option 3, reading out every word aloud and translating it. Question 107. Dash means fill in the blanks. Comprehension is the skill of reading a piece of text closely or intentionally for the purpose of extracting specific information from the text. Option 1 global, option 2 local, option 3 transactional, option 4 inferential. The correct option is option 2 local. Question 108. It is a type of writing in which the teacher provides the situation and helps the class to prepare it. The teacher continuously provides feedback, direction and expansion of ideas to the learners. Option 1 guided writing, option 2 free writing, option 3 product writing, option 4 controlled writing. The correct option is option 1 guided writing. Question 109. A teacher asks to the students of class 5th to read the text thoroughly. Then she asks them to answer the questions with reference to the context RTC. In this process, she is encouraging students for option 1 scanning, option 2 intensive reading, option 3 extensive reading, option 4 skimming. The correct option is option 2 intensive reading. Question 110. The term comprehensible input is associated with option 1 is Stephen Krashen, option 2 Noam Chomsky, option 3 James Asher, option 4 Lev Vygotsky. The correct option is option 1 is Stephen Krashen. Question 111. Which one of the following is not a sub-skill of reading? Option 1 predicting, option 2 synthesizing, option 3 transcripting, option 4 connecting. The correct option is option 3 transcripting. Question 112. Which one of the following is the least important in enhancing speaking skill of children? Option 1 giving them an opportunity to express their feelings and ideas. Option 2 asking close-ended questions. Option 3 organizing discussions on a given topic. Option 4 listening patiently to children's talk. The correct option is option 2 asking closed-ended questions. Question 113. At primary level, literature is helpful in developing language of learners as option 1. It is an authentic material covering various genres. Option 2. It develops teachers' interpretative, creative and critical abilities. Option 3. It is a good basis for the only expansion of vocabulary. Option 4. It encourages the learners to complete the worksheets based on it. The correct option is option 1. It is an authentic material covering various genres. Question 114. A teacher prepares a worksheet and removes every seventh word from the text. Then she asks the learners to read the text. After that, they were asked to complete the worksheet with missing word. The task given on the worksheet is option 1 writing task, option 2 close test, option 3 open test, option 4 speaking task. The correct option is option 2 close test. Question 115. Language is arbitrary means that option 1 it is based on a valid reason and not a chance and not on chance. Option 2, there is a strong relation between the words of a language and their meaning. Option 3, there is no inherent relation between the words of a language and their meaning. Option 4, something is determined by judgment and for a specific reason. The correct option is option 3, there is no inherent relation between the words of a language and their meaning. Question 116, the teacher observed that Praveen could not write a paragraph on her own even after brainstorming the topic. However, she was able to write it under adult or peer guidance. This guidance is called option 1 counseling, option 2 scaffolding, option 3 socialization, option 4 team teaching. The correct option is option 2 scaffolding. Question 117. The purpose of textual exercise is not to option 1 provide opportunity to express themselves, option 2 memorize the answers to the questions, option 3 give exposure to language learning, option 4 develop creativity among learners. The correct option is option 2 memorize the answers to the questions. Question 118. In the multilingual classroom, learners can interact option 1 in their own language and can be a mix of words words from more than one language. Option 2 only in the language prescribed in 3 language formula. Option 3 in the language with which the teacher is familiar. Option 4 in the medium of instructions followed by the school. The correct option is option 1 in their own language and can be a mix of words from more than one language. Question 119. Diagnostic tests are administered to option 1 assess the suitability of a candidate for a specific program. Option 2 test the language proficiency of students for providing them jobs. Option 3 judge the students' capabilities. Option 4 find out deficiencies of the students with a view to planning remedies. The correct option is option 4 find out deficiencies of the students with a view of planning remedies. Question 120. A structural approach gives more importance to option 1 reading only, option 2 speech only, option 3 reading and writing, option 4 speech and reading. The correct option is option 3 reading and writing. Thanks for watching my video. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो यूजफुल लगी हो तो इसे लाइक करिए और सीटेड स्टूडेंट्स के साथ जरूर शेयर करिए। और अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे क्लिक करिए ताकि मेरे आने वाली हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलती रहे। और अगर आपको किसी भी टॉपिक में प्रॉब्लम है तो उसको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए, मैं उसका सोल्यूशन जरूर दूंगी। तो चलिए फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।